You're listening to the Core Factors audio library, spoken versions of Core Factors articles and research. This piece is titled The Science of Preference and Avoidance: Why Both Matter in Career Satisfaction. The following narration preserves the original content and context of the written article.
The Science of Preference and Avoidance: Why Both Matter in Career Satisfaction. Career development conversations often focus on identifying a client's strengths, passions, and preferred activities. However, an equally important, and often overlooked, aspect of sustainable career satisfaction lies in understanding what clients are motivated to avoid. At the heart of the career path assessment is the recognition that both preference and avoidance patterns provide essential insight. While preference reveals what energizes and engages an individual, avoidance highlights what consistently drains energy or creates dissatisfaction. Career satisfaction is the careful management of fit and friction. It involves aligning with energizing work while minimizing exposure to draining activities over time. For career development practitioners, understanding and communicating this dual lens approach is critical to supporting clients in building careers that are viable, sustainable, and fulfilling. Moving beyond strengths-based models. Traditional career development often emphasizes a strengths-based approach. Identify what you are good at and pursue roles that allow you to use those skills. While strengths matter, they tell only half the story. Many individuals are highly skilled at activities they do not enjoy or that deplete them over time. Skill does not always correlate with preference. Practitioners who focus solely on strengths risk guiding clients toward roles where they may perform competently, but ultimately burn out or disengage. The Career Path Assessment's integration of preference and avoidance offers a more complete, human-centered view of career alignment, one that honors both ability and energy sustainability. Understanding preference, the source of career energy. Preference patterns, such as those measured by occupational activity groupings, reflect the types of work activities and environments that naturally energize an individual. When clients engage primarily in activities aligned with their preferences, they are more likely to experience higher intrinsic motivation, increased engagement and focus, greater resilience during challenges, and deeper satisfaction and meaning at work. For example, a client with strong preferences for the scientific occupational activity grouping and the artistic occupational activity grouping will likely feel energized in roles that require problem solving, critical thinking, and creative solution design, regardless of industry. Identifying and prioritizing preferred occupational activity groupings and global interest areas is central to building a career path that sustains long-term engagement. Understanding avoidance. The hidden cost of misalignment. Avoidance patterns reveal activities that consistently drain a client's energy, even when those activities are performed competently. Over time, prolonged engagement with avoided activities can lead to dissatisfaction, burnout, and disengagement. Common signs that a client is operating against avoidance patterns include persistent fatigue or irritability related to work, difficulty sustaining motivation even in roles that appear objectively good, and chronic dissatisfaction despite external markers of success. For example, a client with very little interest in the organizing work and environment's global interest area, highly structured administrative work, may find that even prestigious roles with administrative heavy responsibilities erode energy and satisfaction over time. Recognizing avoidance patterns empowers clients to set strategic career boundaries, advocate for role design or task distribution adjustments, and make informed decisions about potential job transitions. Practitioners can normalize avoidance as legitimate, strategic data rather than weakness or limitation. The interaction of preference and avoidance. Understanding preference and avoidance as two sides of the same coin enables a more sophisticated approach to career development. Several key dynamics often emerge. High preference combined with low avoidance reflects ideal alignment. Clients feel energized and experience minimal drain. High preference combined with high avoidance reflects mixed environments. Clients may enjoy aspects of work while being depleted by others. Moderate preference combined with low avoidance reflects flexible fit. Clients can perform well with appropriate support structures. Low preference combined with high avoidance signals a high risk of dissatisfaction. Roles requiring extensive engagement in avoided activities should be approached with caution. Helping clients map these dynamics using their occupational activity groupings and global interest area profiles enables more nuanced career planning and realistic expectation setting. Rethinking career success metrics. Incorporating avoidance patterns into career development challenges traditional definitions of success. Rather than viewing success solely as upward mobility, salary increases, or external prestige, practitioners can help clients redefine success around sustainable energy management, authentic engagement with meaningful work, and alignment between values, motivations, and day-to-day activities. This broader, more personalized view of success is especially critical in a workforce landscape characterized by career pivots, fluid roles, and evolving personal priorities. Career resilience is built not just on acquiring skills, but on understanding how to manage energy and motivation intentionally. Empowering sustainable career choices. When clients understand and honor both their preferences and their avoidance patterns, they are better equipped to choose roles and environments where they can thrive. They are more capable of setting boundaries that protect energy and well-being, and navigating career transitions with greater self-awareness and resilience. Career development, at its best, helps individuals design careers that align with both strengths and needs. By embracing the science of preference and avoidance, practitioners support clients in building work lives that are successful on the surface and deeply sustainable at their core.
This concludes the audio version of this Core Factors article. You can read the full written version and explore related research at corefactors.com.